Hello students, welcome back to online video classes. Okay, dear students, in previous video we discussed about the curry and that narrator. Okay, what happened in previous video? What we discussed, that curry, the elephant, who saved the narrator's life and also the boy's life, who both were drowning in the river. Actually, that narrator was helping the boy and the elephant also helping both of them. Okay, and elephant saved both the lives. Okay, दोनों की जो लाइफ है वो elephant ने बचाई थी. In previous video we stopped there, and now in today's video what will happen? Which changes happen in curry? Curry में क्या क्या changes हुए? We will discuss in this lesson or in today's video. Okay, here curry becomes fond of ripe banana. He believes in the self-help, much to the discomfort of his friend. With quiet dignity, Curry accepts the cheating he knew he deserved. Okay, in today's video we discuss about the curry. That changes happen with the curry. Here, Curry wanted to become what? He didn't want to depend on the narrator. He take self-respect. He wanted to do something with his own, and that's why the things happen. He did many things with his own. What things he did his own, we will discuss now. Here, Curry was like a baby. Okay, we know that Curry was like a baby, and the narrator also treat him like a baby. And he had to be trained to be good, and if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever. Okay, here Curry is like a baby, and he learned various things, and that narrator trained him. Various things he trained to that Curry. But here the narrator said, we know that the Curry was also naughty, and he's naughty, and he did various mischief. In this next paragraph, what mischief he did, we will discuss. For instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. Okay, if someone gives to bananas to that Curry, what happened? He ate that banana, but very soon what happened? He developed a great love for ripe bananas. Then when he eat that bananas, he liked the bananas. He loved that banana. We used to keep large plates of fruit on a table near a window in the dining room. Okay, in dining room, in the rich families, in dining room, we can see that plate or something or bowl is there. In that bowl or in that plate, there are various fruits like mango, apple, banana, etc. Okay, in that narrator's house, on the table, dining table, there are also various fruits are on the plate. And one day, all the bananas on the table disappeared, and my family blamed the servants for eating all the fruits in the house. One day, what happened? Whatever the bananas are on that table, all the bananas were disappeared. Where these bananas went, don't know that family members or the narrator also. But the family member of narrator who blamed that servants, those servants were working in his family. The family members blame the workers, servants. Then a few days later, the fruit disappeared again. When that fruit disappeared once, then once again, second time, the fruit also disappeared. But this time, the blame was put on me, and I knew I had not done it. Okay, and this time, first time, the blame on servants, but second time, the blame is on narrator. But narrator knows that he had not done anything. उसने कुछ किया ही नहीं था, उसने बनाना चुराए थे क्या? No. It made me very angry. The narrator, everyone can become angry when no thing or nothing did by someone, or if he did nothing, then why the person or why the family members blame me? Why? That's why that narrator think about that if I didn't do anything, then why my family members are blaming me? That's why he became angry. For I was sure they had taken all the fruits. Actually, here the parents were angry on narrator, but that narrator thought who stole that banana. He thought that the servants stole that bananas. The next time the fruit disappeared once again. Okay, now third time these bananas or the fruits disappeared. फिर से तीसरी बार वो bananas वापस से गायब हुए, fruits गायब हुए. I found a banana all smashed up in Curry's pavilion. And where the bananas were found? These bananas were found in pavilion. Where? Pavilion. In Curry's pavilion. This surprised me very much. Okay, that narrator was very surprised when he found the animals, the bananas. For I had never seen fruit there. And as you know, he had always lived on twigs. Okay, we know that the elephant in start of the lesson, we already discussed about what he eat or what that curry eat. The curry likes to eat twigs. जो पत्ते होते, जो कोले पत्ते होते पहले, तो वो हरे हरे पत्ते उसे पसंद होते, लेकिन उसे पता ही नहीं था कि वो बनानास भी खाता है. ओके, और हमें भी पता नहीं है कि वो बनाना खाता होगा. Then what happened next day? Why I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table. Whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission. A long black thing, much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the banana. Okay, actually, when the parents of the narrator or family members blame the narrator, that's why he never wanted to touch that bananas or fruits. And when he thinking about that thing, उसके बारे में जब सोच रहा था, suddenly what happened? Long black thing, कुछ काली चीज, black thing was like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. That black thing came through the window. It take all the bananas or fruit from the plate or from the dining table and disappeared. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snake eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would snake in and take fruit. Okay, we know that this the snake never eats banana, but when that narrator saw the black color thing, it looked like a snake, and that's why he became frightened. He frightened. मतलब वो डर गया. Narrator क्या हो गया? डर गया. And then he wanted to run away from the room. Okay, anyone can frighten, because if you see that thing, it look like a snake, and everyone frightened that snake. Then I crept out of the room and with great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake will come back into the house, eat all the fruit and kill all of us. Okay, and that narrator ran away from the room, and he was very frightened and he was in very fear, and he thought that, and he was feeling about that the snake will come again and eat bananas, and also that snake will kill all the family members and all of us, family members and narrator. He's imagine about that thing, that snake will come and he will kill all the family members. Okay, as I went out, I saw Curry's back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. Okay, here, as that narrator went out from the room, he saw the Curry was back disappearing to the direction of pavilion. Okay, that Curry was going to the pavilion, and when he saw that that narrator saw the Curry, he thought he need that curry, he need the company of curry. मतलब वो जब डर गया तो किसकी जरूरत थी, किसी आदमी की, किसी चीज की उसको जरूरत थी। क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत डर गया था। द पर्सन इज और द एनिमल इज curry, he will give the company. And who thought that? That narrator thought that. I ran after him into the pavilion and I found him there eating bananas. Okay, and he ran after the pavilion, ran after the curry in the pavilion. And what he saw there? He saw there the curry was eating banana. Okay, actually, no, that workers know that narrator eating the bananas, or no snake is there. Who ate all the bananas? That curry ate all the bananas. And here also the curry was eating bananas. And I stood still astonishment. Okay, that narrator was very surprised because he thought that the someone like snake eating the banana. But when he saw the curry was eating banana, he was surprised. The bananas were lying still all around him. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. And the bananas were all around him, and he take through his take through his nose. Nose means his trunk. Take through his trunk. ट्रंक से क्या करता था? वो एक एक बनाना लेकर खा रहा था. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake. Okay, we know that. Which was that black snake? The black snake was his trunk, curry's trunk. जो नरेटर को ट्रंक दिखी थी, सॉरी स्नेक दिखा था, वो क्या था? वो ट्रंक ही थी. किसकी? curry की. वो सांप था क्या? No. And I realized that curry was the thief. And the narrator knew that who was the thief? Curry was the thief. No, that narrator or servants. Who is the thief and who stole all the bananas or fruit? The curry stole all the bananas. I went to him, pulled him out of by the ear, and joyously showed my parents that it was curry and not I thought I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. Okay, and he take with him with the ear of curry, and he show his family members who ate all the bananas. Actually, who ate all the bananas? The curry ate all the bananas. All the family members know that who ate all the bananas. And then narrator scolded him, for elephant understand words as well as children. And I said him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. And he knew that. We were all angry with him, even the servants. Okay, definitely the thief was curry. Then all the members, family members, narrator and servants also angry on curry. And the narrator scolded him, I will punish you if you stole once again these bananas. Then he knew that all the members, all the family members, servants are angry on me. Then his pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. फिर उसके बाद he never stole anything from dining room. And from then on, if anybody gave him any fruit, he always felt as if to thank them. Okay, अगर वो कोई उसे खाने के लिए देता था कुछ फ्रूट तो वो खुश हो जाता और चिल्लाता. Then an elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong. Okay, we can punish the elephant or any animal, but mild punishment need to given to that animal. Okay, we can, here the narrator said we can give punishment to the elephant, but if you punish him without any reason, then he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. Okay, here without any reason, if you punish that animal like elephant, then he will pay back. मतलब अगर किसी कारण से बिना कारण से आपने उस एलिफेंट को मारा तो वो आपको याद रखेगा और आपने उसे जिस तरह से मारा है वो भी क्या करेगा, आपको वो बदला लेगा, उसका एक ना एक दिन आपको वो मारेगा. Okay, this is the today's in this video we discuss about the curry, how he found out bananas and fruits and what happened with the Curry, who scolded, that narrator scolded him, and various things we discuss in today's video. Okay, hope so you understood whatever we discuss in today's video. Okay, last point is remain of this curry, bringing out curry. So today we stop here, and that remaining part we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you very much.